People want what's trending in their floor plans. Large kitchens, open gathering areas where the whole family can be together, tons of closets. This is the stuff we see over and over, but you never know where inspiration will come from. The cornerstone of our last plan was a killer pantry. When I started, I worked with a local architect. We started from a blank canvas and did a design based around what people were asking for. Today we work with some of the most amazing architects in the country, some of the most creative people I have ever met. And it's an ever-changing process just to keep up. You start with this blank page, then you see these unique designs come to life that reflect how people want to live now. That feeling, taking something from your head and putting it to paper, and then building it and seeing it in real life, it's indescribable. It's one of the favorite things about what I do.